Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing haul and try on for Biebs, Alishamarie, and Elliot Choy's merchandise. I got all these within 2.5 months of time. Elliot Choy's merchandise for copyright took a lot longer than expected, but I got it just in time for this video. Here is the Justin Bieber Biebs toque. It was $30. It has the nice black color with the Biebs logo on it. This would be really perfect for winter. You can get this at your local Tim Hortons in Canada only, just for a limited time only. Here is the Justin Bieber Biebs fanny pack. This fanny pack was also $30 just like the toque. There was also a tote bag, but I didn't want to pay $30 for it. It is this really nice corduroy brown fanny pack with a lot of compartments. There's 3 compartments with lots of pocket space. You can put a lot of stuff in here. Stay tuned for a try on of the fanny pack and toque. It's probably too late to try the Biebs. They are so delicious. They come in 3 different flavors. I really like the sour cream and chocolate chip one. The birthday cake one is not too bad as well. And the chocolate fudge one is pretty good too. Really sweet though. They are way better than the original Timbits. I am now unboxing the Alishamarie Don't Need No Man hat. I had gotten this one in the mail over a month ago. Alishamarie is one of my favorite YouTubers. I had actually just started watching her during the pandemic, which is pretty cool. She is an Aries girl just like me. She's so cool. She is a badass bee. School Alicia is pretty cool too. I also want to try out the new Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera as well that she suggested. I think this hat also comes in a t-shirt as well, but I'm not too sure. I love the pink writing and the font and the happy face. The black is a really nice touch as well. The hat also came with a certificate, as well as on the back it says, "We are celebrating you and your accomplishments this Vlogmas. Congratulations, you made it." It also has her tags. This YouTuber merchandise I was so excited for, the Elliot Choy copyright hoodie. Elliot Choy is my favorite guy YouTuber for sure. Hands down, best editing ever. You should check him out. It comes in this really rustic color. It's kind of like a grayish purple, brownish color. I'm not really sure of the color, but it is beautiful. Nice and thick, warm, so comfy. I love it. As you can see in the video, it comes with a copyright sticker. I kind of ruined it though. But I'm gonna put it somewhere really nice. I really love the font of the copyright. I got the copyright hoodie in the size extra large because I wanted it to be loose fitting. I am opening it now. I had gotten the perfect size and I'm so happy that I made this choice. This hoodie, by touching it, is so super thick. By far the best material. You can really tell that it's well made. As you can see, the copyright is on the top right of the hoodie. It also says "Live by Design." The style is so clean and crisp. I love the font so much. From what I can tell, the Elliot Choy website is not up right now for copyright. I had tried to go on the website, but it would not let me go through. The back also says, "For those who dare to dream." You control Live by Design, not default. He's probably done selling his merchandise. but that's okay. I'm so glad I got my hands on this hoodie. It is by far the best purchase of all the merchandise. I love how thick the material is. I love the color. It's really nice on. I love it. Here's the back. It says worldwide. Here's the hat. Don't need no man. Don't need no man. Here's the toucan. It's really cute. And here is the fanny pack. It's really nice. Lots of pockets. Thanks so much for watching my unboxing. I hope you like this video. Like, leave a comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, I'll see you later.